5 important tips for new home bakers. Hey there, aspiring bakers. If you're just starting your baking journey, these 5 tips will set you up for success. Let's get baking. Tip number 1, measure ingredients accurately. Baking is a science, and even a small mistake in measurement can ruin your recipe. Always use a kitchen scale for precise results, especially for ingredients like flour and sugar. If you're using measuring cups, level off dry ingredients with a knife, no heaping scoops. Tip number 2, follow the recipe exactly at first. Resist the urge to tweak recipes, especially if you're a beginner. Follow instructions carefully, from mixing times to oven temperatures. Once you're comfortable, then you can start experimenting. Tip number 3, preheat your oven and use the right bake. A cold oven can lead to uneven baking. Always preheat before putting anything in. Also, use the correct baking pans. Dark pans absorb more heat, while glass pans may require lower temperatures. Tip number 4, don't overmix the batter. Overmixing leads to tough, dense cakes and cookies. Mix just until ingredients are combined, especially with flour-based batters. A few lumps are okay. Tip number 5, let your baked goods cool properly. Patience is key. Cooling on a wire rack prevents soggy bottoms and improves texture. Rushing this step can ruin all your hard work. Bonus tip, have fun and don't be afraid of mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more baking tips. Happy baking!